guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Scram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, guys. All right, we're not financial, also, guys. We're not a buy or sell channel. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn these markets and technical analysis with us and trade our profitable strategy with us, then you're in the right place. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Just give me a second. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you all. Okay. I've charted the same for charts for you: EUR USD, GBP USD, US 30, and German 30. German 30 is the choppiest out of these four.
It'll be live on the stream.
Also, someone was asking me for a request to record this video. I'm so sorry we can't do that right now, but there is a YouTube recording that will be there that's live and it's recorded. And also you can go out and check recordings on the channel, on the server as well. I hope that's fine with you. Okay, the buyers look like this on GBP USD. Look at this. That's EUR USD. They're sort of similar only, guys. GBP USD and EUR. And for the buys above our supply zone. And if you want to break down, we can start selling from 5-minute support. Okay, we can start doing that because we're catching buyers. We're making some support level over here at the 5-minute. Okay, we're trying to make some pattern. Okay, guys. If we break that, we're going up. If not, if we get rejected, the one-on-ones, you all know how to trade this pattern and how to come down and take the advantage of it. Okay, I'm going to be putting some alerts so that I'm aware what's happening in these markets. Otherwise, I keep missing these moves, guys. Did anyone trade yesterday? I hope you all didn't trade yesterday. Markets were extremely manipulated. Extremely manipulated markets, guys. Yesterday, they were just not ready to give moves, and everything that was happening also, it was not happening according to the analysis that we've studied and what we do. So these are the kind of markets we try to stay away from, and this is also the area above our supply zone that we can move up to. Okay, so this is how the buys look on US 30, guys. Okay, let's try to not risk too much. We have NFP that's coming out this week. Don't use big positions, guys. You all know whenever we have NFP or FOMC coming out, the whole week becomes choppy, right? Before that, you all are aware of that. I wouldn't want you all losing the profits that you all made, or lose the pips that you make during this weekend before NFP, because it's going to be slow. So please be extremely careful, guys. Just let's learn. Okay, let's learn together and trade maybe a little here and there, but don't be putting in Lambos, especially for London, for these markets. Look at this. German 30 is the weirdest to sort of do analysis on. Indices, nothing much is happening. We're trading sideways for now. And same again for EUR USD and GBP USD. We're not breaking any certain levels, showing that we don't have that much volume in these markets for now. Chances are it is going to be like that otherwise as well for this whole week. Okay, guys, let me come to the chat and see. Good morning, Kevin. It's fine. Abdulaziz, yeah, I'm so sorry, but there are recordings. You can check them out later. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning. Okay, we don't have those many people today on Zoom. How many people do we have? Okay, 27 people. Not bad. Let's see, guys, the kind of movement that we're going to get for these markets. I'm a very conservative trader. Not showing any stream. Is anyone Zero or anyone is here who can share the stream? But here, if you're on Zoom, you don't need to see the screen right now. You can see my screen over here on Zoom. You all can see my screen, right? Look at this, guys. Again, for GBP USD, EUR USD, both of us were trying to go up. They both look the same, don't they? Right? Let's see. They were trying to move up, and then 5 minutes just started catching support from here, and we're trying to break our supply zone. If we don't, you know the sells. Okay? For GBP also, the sells could be from our 15-minute support. Okay? From this area. Okay? If we want to drop, we can drop to our demand zone. Did anyone trade yesterday, guys? I want to hear no. Yesterday, no. That's amazing, Lucky. You were not supposed to trade yesterday. Choppy markets, and on those choppy markets, if you're trying to do your analysis as a trader, if you're a beginner and you're trying to learn and you're trying to trade with us and understand these markets, if you trade on those days, it's not going to respect your analysis, and it's going to affect the psychology a bit of trading. As a trader, it'll demotivate you a lot, and it's not your fault. The markets are so manipulated because there are no money makers, no big money that's entering the markets, or traders like us who are putting positions. So there is not much volume. Again, we're trying for GBP USD and EUR USD, guys. We're about 8 minutes away from market open. Look at that. This is just an impulse trying to get into our area. Again, we need to close above our supply zone. Okay. You can trade, of course you can go ahead, but during market open, you know how spreads, they go crazy. So I wouldn't recommend. If you are, then maybe with smaller lots. Okay. Okay, GBP USD again. EUR USD, GBP USD. Guys, be extremely careful. Maybe this move will play out. We go to 4 days resistance and then get rejected for market open, and the sells start to happen. So if you're putting in your positions, if you're going in and out for the zone, be extremely careful. Also, we have a wick over here on the left that is going to give us some sort of resistance over here as well. Okay. Okay, German 30 and US 30 are not doing anything much, but if this breaks out, this will be a good break of structure for us. Okay. Yeah, coming to that, Lucky, you can trade. I think Cram already answered your question. Start small, work your way up. Always till now, guys, when I see these markets not doing well, and I want to trade, and you all know how big our account is, my account is, I put $1 a pip. I really do that sometimes when I don't want to trade and I just want to see these markets. I want to test my analysis, try something new. That's what I do, because I'm not going to give away the profits that I made to these markets, especially a week like this. Look at this. We're trying again, getting some sort of rejection. Guys, we don't have that much volume running around in these markets. That is why that is why we're not moving up, breaking our supply zone. Okay. Is anyone trading GBP USD? Are you all in on GBP USD or EUR USD? Anyone trading this with a feeler or anything? Traded on a demo? You all, yeah, that's great. That's great. Not yet, Kevin. That's good. Cool. Let's wait, guys. We'll whatever that we have to get, maybe we'll get after market open. If not, then maybe we'll get an hour after market open. There's nothing to actually really worry about. And then we have NFP this week. Obviously, there's going to be chop in these markets, right? Again, whatever that you want to do, stick to that. If you're looking for sells, if you're looking for buys, irrespective of that, that is good. You shouldn't be getting into buys if you think sells are going to happen. But you all need to realize that we're scalpers. Sometimes the move that we're waiting for, okay, for example, maybe I'm looking for a sell over here. The buys will happen before that, and if a higher time frame is pushing to a psychological area or an area of support, it's going to push up, and we'll keep waiting for the sells. The thing with scalpers is that no matter if it goes up or down, we can trade that. Okay, but it's good that you're sticking to your analysis and you don't want to get in. You don't have to if you're not comfortable. Again, at the end of the day, as a trader, you all need to build your own your gut feeling for the trades, if you should enter in or not. We're here to give you analysis, but it's up to you, seeing the structure, seeing the RSI, seeing the EMA, seeing hundreds of confluences from your end to be able to understand if you should get in or not. Okay, so that's a good thing. Again, we're getting rejected, guys. Our candle just opened up in our supply zone. There's just nothing that's happening in the market, okay? We have about 4 minutes to market open. Let's see then what kind of movement we're going to get. But look at this, guys. German 30, look at this gap. They've just like, German 30 always has stupid gaps. And it's the weirdest to analyze and do top down on. Wait for market open, guys. Okay? Wait for market open to trade these markets. Let's see the kind of, okay, we're going down on EUR USD. We're again catching some support from 5 minute. Okay, some bias from 5 minute support. Okay, I am not looking at indices right now because these are the ones that are moving right now. Maybe for market open, we'll see the indices, okay? Look at that. On GBP USD, we're trying. Okay, we need to break this wick with good volume and then we can push up, okay? Yeah, I'm seeing GU lucky. Okay, perfect. Wait for market open, guys. These markets for another week might try to take money away from you. Okay, GBP USD is trying. We're trying to push up. We have about 1.5 minutes to market open. Let's see the kind of momentum that we're going to get then. Okay. But I feel these two pairs are really good to trade, especially GBP USD. Everyone starts with this, everyone. Because the way it moves, the kind of break of structure that you'll find on the charts also are cleaner than other pairs. And just the pace is very beautiful, very nice and smooth. They give you time to think. Absolutely. I like GU at moment. Perfect pace for me. That's great. That's great. Look at this, guys. Slowly, right? Look at that candle. We tried to close. We could not. The next candle opened up. We went down as a red candle. This candle went down as a red candle. Got support from a supply zone and just pushing up. And the way it's pushing, it's so slow, guys. You don't lose your mind when you're trading something like GBP USD, when you're trading something like US 30 and NASDAQ and gold. Too much of emotional drama is happening around that. The way they move, it's too much. So if you're starting, start with GBP USD and maybe S&P 500 if you think NASDAQ and US 30 is too fast for you. Okay, we have about 15 seconds to market open. Let's see, guys. I'm not expecting too much of momentum from these markets, honestly. But if we get something, we get something, okay? Okay, market open, guys. Okay. What just happened with EUR, guys? Okay. be okay, but it's just still an impulse, guys. You have to be careful. Just an impulse at this point. I think we have some folders that are opening up right now at this point. Maybe that's why seeing this much momentum, and the spreads are also moving quickly right now. Look at EUR, guys. But this is just an impulse at this point, okay? So be extremely, extremely careful about that, okay? We're What's happening? Okay. US 30 trying too, guys. So is DAX. DAX is also trying, but we're catching demand, we're catching buyers. Wait for this candle to close. Is anyone in on anything? Okay, US 30 is trying. Impulse. GBP USD, EUR caught support. This wick is ugly, but then again, we have some time to figure out the kind of direction that we're moving into. Okay. Okay, German 30 is trying, and I'm banking on this, guys. Okay? I saw the rejection. I saw this candle. Look at this candle, and I'm running, guys. Okay? I'm in on German 30, guys. Slow impulses. Look at that US 30. The impulse touched our demand zone, and it was such a beautiful impulse, right? Slow. This is what I like about London. The impulses are so slow that they give you time to enter the trade and exit and put your trades to break even and whatnot. Okay? It gives you that time. We're catching some buyers from our demand zone. Let's see if we close within our box. US 30 actually did. Now for now we're catching some buyers, but let's see. Okay? GBP USD still trying to push up. EUR is indecisive at this point. Okay. Guys, I'm running about 5-7 pips on this one. Let's see. Okay, look at US 30, guys. Did anyone take this impulse? Oh my god, we're going down. Okay, this is the gap. This is a gap from where we're catch. Okay, guys, I am running about 3,800 on this, 4,000 on this position, guys, and I'm going to close it now. Okay, I'm closing my positions. I'm done. I made what I had to make. Let it fall further. I don't care. Okay, I made what I had to make on this impulse. Wait, guys. I caught about 3,500 on this impulse on DAX, and I am done. I'm not trading anything else. I'm done, guys. This is why I like DAX. Okay, we're still falling, but I am not gonna care about that. We are falling, guys. I don't care. As a trader, you also know how many pips you want. As soon as you hit that, you take that out from these markets, and that's it. That's what I did. For US 30, we're catching. Guys, look at that. Come on. Please tell me that you all traded this. Look at this. We're still free falling on this. They're falling over here as well. GBP USD looked like a fake out. Now we're catching support from here. Let's see if you want to push up. But indices, guys. Amazing. I told you all indices will give you moves after market open. German 30W. Congratulations, guys. I love how you all are trading German 30. I just love it. This particular instrument. Yeah, it's hard to understand the movement, but yeah, once you understand it, once you know how to trade it, you don't need anything else. For London, mostly I'm trading this or US 30, because US 30 also doesn't move that fast for London, like how it does for New York. I'm done, guys. Let it fall however it wants to fall, how much ever it wants to fall, but I'm done. Okay. We can fall till here. Good day, guys. I thought we wouldn't get moves, but Kyle, Rapid, Kevin, congratulations, you guys. Congratulations. I'm happy y'all are making money on these setups. Not money, I would say pips. My bad. I'm glad y'all are making your pips and compounding your pips and becoming better traders every day. The people who are getting up every day for London and trading with us, trust me, the kind of growth that you're all going to see in your trading in another month or so, it's going to be amazing. You have to work hard. Now we're catching some buyers from here, guys. seems like we have created a new demand zone over here which already exists. Okay, we're catching buyers from here. Okay, same story over here. We're catching buyers from this area on US 30, but all in all, good move, guys. All in all, good. Only three people took this. Only three people took these moves, guys. Y'all need to understand the pace of impulses over here on London. It's not very fast. Okay, W on EU sell. Congratulations, congratulations. Great, guys. This is nice. The impulses on London are slow. You might as well start trading them with feelers, okay, to understand how they're moving. Then later on, you can get in with your Corolla, or maybe a smaller position than Corolla, okay? But yeah, I mean, what else do you need, guys? What else do you need from London? This is the range that it was trading in, and this is the range it's going to trade for a long time before we get into New York. Start to trade impulses on London. Don't do it on New York. I'm requesting you all, don't do it for New York. You're going to lose money. But for London, you can try that. Okay, and I'm really, really glad that so many people are making money on DAX, and they're taking impulses. And if you ask them, those impulses are good, fine paced. You don't have to worry too much. Okay, and they give you time to put your stop losses. EU are going to hit our TP. GBP is choppy, guys. At this point, it's choppy. There is no volume in GBP. EU still running? Yes, it is. We're going down, maybe to touch our demand zone, or we try to make some other pattern and try and move up. One-on-ones know what kind of pattern I'm talking about here, okay? We're falling down. Maybe we catch some support from here and move up to our 50 on the RSI. You all know that happens. Look at that support. Like, what it tells me that this whole candle and this whole candle was just a liquidity grab. It was a fake out. But it was such a slow fake out that we all made money on this and now we're done. But actual moves are going to happen now for the buyers if they have to, because look at this support they caught after this candle. From the same area, almost, guys. Look at this. Look at these bodies. Okay? Means they're catching support from the same area, telling me that there are a lot of buyers sitting in this area and it's strong. The demand is extremely, extremely strong. Okay? For London. Again, same thing. EUR were catching support. I don't like these kind of candles with wicks down there. They tell me that the move that happened before this is not going to continue and the markets are going to move into the different direction. These candles also, they have different characteristics, and these candles also sort of tell you where the market is going to go. And these four candles tell me that we're catching heavy support from here and we're moving up, and the sell was actually a fake out. Or sometimes they need to go down, take some orders from here, and then push up, right? They also need to collect a lot of orders from here and then push. They also need volume. So no volume is sitting over here. They need to go down, catch the volume, and then push up for the move, right? Caught German 30. Look at that now. We're going in for sells. Guys, I'm not trading any further. I wasn't expecting that I would make this much also for London today. Trust me when I say this. I was not going to. But I'm done, guys. I'm going to be waiting for another 6 minutes for the next 15-minute momentum, and then we'll be done. Okay? I entered DAX as soon as it started to break our demand zone. That's what I did for DAX. But you start with small positions, and then once, because the impulse was so slow, I layered 2 positions in that. Okay? For German 30, guys. I started layering my positions on an impulse. You all shouldn't do that. because if it goes against you, it goes against you. But knowing the momentum, because I've been trading London more than New York, I've traded London more than New York, guys. For those many years, I started with London, so I know how it moves. I know the kind of volume that we are going to get, till where, in what area. So I just don't know, guys. It just comes to me naturally. Again, there are some things that can't be taught about these markets. Look at this. This is if they make one more candle like this is terrible, guys. This is just sideways trading. But for market open, we're getting some volume. Again, you all need to sit on both the sessions, London and New York, so that you can understand how they breathe, and according to that, you can take your trades. Like how in just this one impulse, as soon as it started to break our demand zone, I led 2 positions, guys. When it broke this, when it was trying to break that, I led 1 more position. So that's how you're going to do it. I really can't explain. There is no strategy behind trading impulses. There is no hard and fast rule to do that. But again, you spend hours and hours and hours on these markets. You look at these candles every day. You look at these instruments every day. There is a gut feeling that says that it's going to happen. And that's what I rely on, because I've traded London that much. I've traded London more than New York. Look at this. EUR, guys. EUR. Is anyone trading EUR? Look at that. We break this, we're going to daily support, guys. Okay? On US 30. But I don't like these candles, these 3 candles. I don't like it. Look at this. Greg, you're in on EUR, right? We're trying to approach our demand zone. Maybe it is a time to realize your profits and leave a partial if you want. Okay? GU going down, yes, but our sells are down here. Okay? It could just completely make something and go up. These chart patterns are always changing. They're always becoming and turning into one another. If we catch support from here, chances are we're going up. If we break this, then these are your sells to your demand zone. Okay? I'll chase it down to demand if it breaks for a quick in and out for sure. Again, guys, you all know your trading style. The way you trade also is going to change for both the market opens. So maybe try to, I wouldn't say technique, but try to develop a system for yourself when you're trading these markets. London and New York, they move differently. For people who are still trading this, they move differently, and you have to trade them differently. So start developing that technique, or whatever you want to call it, to trade these 2 different markets. The strategies, they remain the same, but the entries and exits and your lot sizing, everything changes for both the markets. So maybe try to work on that. Okay? And if you want to get in the sell, you can. Zone to zone. Zone to zone. Okay. The German 30 and for US 30, we're trying to go down. I don't know, guys, what's happening. I really have no idea. Okay, this is the next 15-minute momentum, guys. For German 30, we're breaking and going down. Okay. Look at this. If you break this, we're going down further. But we're catching support as of now. I don't like this, guys. I don't. These 3 candles, I don't like them. Let's see. Maybe we want to fall further. Okay, we want to go oversold. Maybe we will. So we're pushing up sort of on US 30. For both were catching support. Okay, if you are in on EUR, if anyone is trading EUR, just remove your profits. I just really hope you have, and leave partials running, so you can ride it down till your demand zone. Okay. I don't know, guys. I don't want to trade this. Sorry for my language. Shit. I don't want to trade this shit. Look at this, guys. I don't agree with this kind of movement. Doesn't matter if the candles are also long or whatever. I don't like to trade these kind of markets. My brain sort of doesn't agree with this kind of movement. I don't like it. That's it, guys. This was it. Bar coding, absolutely. This is bar coding, and I hate it. I hate it. Big no for me. Big no for everyone. Okay, walk away. You made $1. You didn't make anything. You lost also something. You can get it back for New York, but don't trade this shit, guys. At least for now. Maybe check when the next early momentum comes in the markets. Maybe around that time you can trade, but for now, just stay away, guys. Okay, please stay away. Now look at this GBP USD. We made this right shoulder like you all were thinking of getting into sells. I hope nobody got into sells. We didn't break our 5-minute support to push down. Maybe we'll try to make a double top to go down if you want to go down, or we're trying to make a right shoulder to push up further to our 4H resistance, and if we break that dailies over here. Now this is a bigger break of structure. Maybe they'll try to make a right shoulder for another hour and then push up, and then that will be a bigger break of structure. Okay, guys, don't run after these. They will play out for sure. You all know how we all trade London. You all have my levels. I'm going to show you all the charts again, so that if you are trading after me, you have the levels and everything sorted with you. This is how GBP looks like. You want to take a screenshot, you can. This is how this is how EUR looks like. This is GBP, German 30, and this is US 30. That's it, guys. I am done. If you all made any profits today, please go ahead and share on Success Story and on Twitter. And if you don't feel like sharing, you don't have that much time, it's all cool. It really doesn't matter. It just motivates me a little more to come every day and trade for you, even with this chop. But nonetheless, it's fine. I'm going to come every day to help you out and to make you all learn this profitable strategy and trade with us, give you my analysis. If you feel like putting up a success story, you can. If you don't, it's fine, guys. Thank you so much for this beautiful session, guys. We got volume. Don't be trading too much after this. Don't lose anything that you made. And I will see you all for New York, guys. Bye. Have a good day, guys.